Still using basic earbuds for your music? It's time to experience true premium sound. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro deliver rich, high-resolution audio, advanced active noise cancellation, and a refined, comfortable design built for all-day listening. In this video, we'll take a quick look at their standout features and how they perform in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with a wireless charging case, charging cable, and user manual. Want to grab the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Adaptive equalizer with Galaxy AI adjusts audio based on how your buds sit in your ears. That means every time you put buds in, you can bring out the best in every playlist. With adaptive noise control with Galaxy AI, you can immerse yourself in sound while staying alert to your surroundings. Hear translations through your Galaxy Buds during conversations using real-time interpreter with Galaxy AI. To access listening mode, simply pinch and hold your earbuds, and your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will continue to interpret as the speaker is talking. Machine learning minimizes background noise so your voice is heard even in busy environments. Bluetooth Super Wideband further improves call quality by doubling audio bandwidth for more natural-sounding speech. Control your compatible phone with simple voice commands. Simply say a command, such as answer call or volume up. Listen in comfort with a redesigned shape that delivers our snuggest fit ever. And because your buds should shine as much as you do, we've added blade lights to stand out from the crowd and glow up your listening experience. Swipe down to quickly adjust your EQ and noise control from the Quick Settings panel. Your custom settings are saved for each app, so whether you're using 360 audio on YouTube or bass boost on Spotify, your sounds stay in tune with you. Mindfulness comes with daily practice. Teleport to a worry-free world of your own with Samsung Health powered by Calm. Alleviate stress with peaceful melodies from nature. Improve your focus with white noise or relax with ASMR for a happier, healthier you. Specifications. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Galaxy Buds 13 from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Android only. It allows you to manage settings, customize touch controls, and install firmware updates. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Galaxy Buds. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. See you in the next one.